Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the video, and today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of this noise right over here. Put it in the phone camera real quick.
Hard break detected.
That one right there. So if you didn't know, that's from Doordash, and depending on when you see this video, that means they updated your region, and all of a sudden they decided to add this feature and opt you into it automatically. But you can turn it off. So here's how you do it, right? So first what you want to do is log into Doordash like normal, right? Then you're going to be on this little side panel right over here. You're going to see Dash, Schedule, Earnings, and Ratings. There you go. And then under that, you're going to see Accounts. So under Accounts, two things. First, depending on what type of phone you have, sometimes you have to click Settings first. And then inside of Settings, you need to find the Safe Driving Features. It's going to look just like this. You're going to click on it. And obviously some phones just have it right there on the sidebar. Once you're here, the third option is what you're looking for. It's the hard break audio alerts option, and it's going to be opted in like this whenever you look into your settings. But what you want to do is just turn it off by doing that. And now you can just back out and start a new dash, and you should not hear this noise ever again. Let's do it one more time.
Hard break detected.
There it is.